Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm gonna be talking about this race I did a few weeks ago, and I'm in this league, week 2. Okay, the race just started. I started in 8th, because this is the final race, and we did qualifying before this. This guy tried to close the door on me and ram me, but I got past him. And then he just sent it down the inside and just full on T-boned me. And he did it again. So I'm still in 8th. I went down to 7th, but then he T-boned me and I went back to 8th. He went so wide. And then he got a no bumping sign, and then this guy pulled up beside me because the guy that kept bumping me slowed me down and let the other guy come beside me. So now I'm in 9th. And I just got T-boned by someone behind me, and I have no idea who that was. So now I'm kinda far back in 9th. Oh, but someone span out, so I'm back in 8th. So now there's a yellow flag and we have to slow down. This guy won't let me pass. I've gotten past him like twice, but he just keeps bumping into me. Hey, we're back again. So now I can just do my own race and hopefully catch up to the guy that kept bumping me. He ended up really wide on that turn, so I ended up getting very close to him. He turned early, which gave me a stronger exit than him. I pull up right beside him, but he tries closing the door and ramming me into the wall, but I end up getting past him. The guy that got past us from the beginning, I'm hoping that I can catch up to him, but he's pretty far ahead, so I might not. I see 2 people in front of me, but I think I can only catch one because I don't know how many laps I've done yet. I just skidded there and I lost a bit of time doing that, but I got a strong exit on the second part of that turn. So I've gotten a little bit closer to him, but I don't know if I can get there in time. Okay, I've gotten a lot closer to him than before. Oh, he just passed someone else. I don't know if that person got lapped or if they're in front of me, but I just passed them anyway. So I think they got lapped, so I'm pretty sure I'm still in 7th. He got a really wide turn there, so I managed to get super close to him. Now I've gotten so close to him, I was about to pass him, but then he shut the door. He went really wide, so I almost passed him, but he keeps cutting me off. I get a way stronger exit than him out of the corner, and I pull on side by side to him. I pull up to the side of him. And then he decides to full on hit me into the wall. What was he doing? I'm still in 7th because he hit me into the wall, but I'm still really close to him. I've got beside him again. Oh, it's the white flag, so I better pass him now. I pull up beside him and I go down the inside. I bump him a little bit, but that's okay, considering what he did on the track before. So now it's the end of the race, and this guy, I don't know what happened, but he was going a lot slower when all the carts normally slow down at the same time. So now this is the end of the race, and I hope you guys enjoyed me racing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.